Hey everyone, I just wanted to do a product review on the Magnaflow exhaust that I put on my Subaru Outback. So let's take a look. That is the cat, collector, I'll put in the video the exact model. This is pretty new. You can see there's no heat shield and I didn't wrap them. It's starting to turn colors. I'd say it's got about 100 miles. And I'll do a startup. From inside the car. It does have a good sound. Mine's stick. I know it's cool. I have a engine code. See, the rest of my exhaust is stock. Kind of bad. Okay, and yeah, good sound. I have the check engine light, but it is not for an exhaust code. So I actually think the cat is working just fine because I did have a cat code. So anyway, there you go.